Hi, I'm Caroline Wilson, National Sales Manager in Agriculture for Fireward. We're here today to talk to Mick from Chatterton and Cooke about why they've selected a Fireward automatic fire suppression system to protect their brand new John Deere X9 combine for the forthcoming 2025 cereals harvest. So your John Deere X9 combine, what made you decide to have an automatic fire suppression system fitted to this machine to protect it?
I think they should come out with them, to be honest. Most machines need them. I think in this day and age you need to cover yourself. Downtime as well is precious now.
Yep.
We don't get much of a window for harvest. If you have your combine go up on fire, it's losing money. I think, you know, with a lot of combine fires we've seen over the last 5 years, I just think you need to protect your investment. And for what it costs, I don't think it's that much. No one wants any fire. I think if there's somewhere where you're going to have a fire, nowadays it is on the combine, and I think people should seriously look at it.
Have you had an experience of any agricultural fires that you've been unfortunately involved in or anything?
Yes, a tractor. Years ago. I was probably about 19. By the time I got out of the cab, that was it.
Yeah, too late.
Too late. So, yeah. So these suppressors are the way to go.
So we've heard from Mick many reasons why he's chosen to protect his John Deere combine with a Fireward automatic fire suppression system. Obviously there are a number of reasons why. Firstly, safety for the operator. Keeping the asset protected is one thing, but also protecting your operators is key in today's modern farming. Downtime of the machine if it's lost, the inconvenience of being without a machine to continue your harvest, consequential damage, potentially the loss of crop, as you can see behind me, sheds. There's lots of reasons why we need to protect our machinery, and it's not just the combines that we can protect, we can also cover tractors, telehandlers, balers. There's actually quite a lot of the farm components that we can protect with our suppression systems.